Thus, Nicholas, millions years the Earth climate has fluctuated clicking from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, the planet's temperature has risen unusually plus about 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe it's human activity that's driving the temperature of a process known as global warming. Ever since the Industrial Revolution began, factories, power plants, and eventually cars have burned fossil fuels such as oil and coal, releasing high amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. The greenhouse gases traps heads near the Earth a natural occurring process called the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect begins with the sun and the energy it radiates to the earth. The air and the atmosphere absorb some of this energy while the rest is radiated back into space. Naturally occurring gases in the atmosphere trap some of this energy and reflect it back warming the earth. Scientists now believe that the greenhouse effect is being intensified by the extra greenhouse gases that humans have released. Evidence for global warming includes a recent string of very warm years. Scientists record the 1998 was the warmest year in Nazareth history with 2005 coming in second. Meanwhile, reading taken from a score so the greenhouse gases carbon dioxide and methane have hit their highest level in the past 420,000 year Arctic sea is also shrinking according to NASA studies. The extent of Arctic sea ice have declined about 10 focus in last 30 years also as industrialized nations consume energy and developing countries increase the fossil fuel consumptions. The concentration of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere will continue. To researching predict that temperature will increase about 2 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the end of the century. What's less scale thanks is what rising temperature mean for the planet. Some climate model predict subtle changes. Other forecasts raising sea level which could flood coastal areas around the world with headwaters could change, making hurricanes for frequent spread drop could become more common in warm areas and space unable to adapt to the skating conditions would push extinction and threat. Much remains to be learned about the warming. Many organizations advocate cutting greenhouse gas emissions to reduce the impacts of global warming. Consumers can help by saving energy around the house, switching to context fluorescents like bubble bulbs, and driving forward smiles in the car as waste. This is simple changes might help keep the air color in the future.